Hey guys, today we're going to be going over how to repurpose content across all of your platforms using Zoe. So if you're a content creator like me, you know how much time goes into making one piece of content, whether that be a TikTok video, a YouTube video, a reel, even stuff like a Reddit article, X post, or Substack letter. So there are a couple different ways that you can repurpose content really easily. Some of the different forms are going from, short form content like TikTok and reels into X posts, LinkedIn articles, Substack articles, and even stuff like Reddit posts. You can basically interchange any of these for whatever you want. So what I'm actually going to do is show you how I can turn one of my TikTok videos into, here is the video I made. It's a short form video. But yeah, I'm just gonna take the link to this, paste it right here. And for my prompt, I'm going to be saying something like, I'm going to be speaking it in just plain English so it's very easy to understand. So turn my TikTok video into for tweets, a LinkedIn post, a Substack post, and a Reddit post. And what I need to do. I can also ask it to give me 5 more real ideas based on this one. And then all you need to do is send it into chat like this. And then as you can see, Zoe is thinking about what I'm requesting, what the output should be. Zoe has the ability to read web pages, so it can actually see your TikTok and go through it. With the Zoe browser, it can actually watch the video to understand the content. I guess the way it could be watching this video is, getting the metadata for the video and then transcribing it, so it knows the context of what's happening in it. Okay, so it loaded up the information. As you can see, it does know what the video context is. The caption is this. These are all my tags, and it is a 1-minute video about AI, tech, and startups. Now that has a good amount of context, it knows that I am talking about, and these are 5 tweet ideas that it created just from this video. Now I have a whole nother LinkedIn post about talking about the same stuff that I covered, as well as a longer form Substack post, as well as a Reddit post. It recommended me a bunch of subreddits that it would, actually be fitting for too, as well as 5 more real ideas. This is how you can repurpose content really easily with Zoe. If you want to try it out, let me know, and don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have more tutorial ideas for Zoe, let me know as well, and I'll see you guys in the next video.